In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the header in Elementor. If you've been wanting to tweak the header of your website to better reflect your brand or just need to update some details, you're in the right place. Elementor makes this process quite straightforward, and I'll be guiding you through it step by step. First, make sure you are logged into your WordPress dashboard. This is where you can access all your website's backend features and tools. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left-hand menu and hover over Templates. Here you'll see a sub-menu. Click on Theme Builder. This is a powerful feature of Elementor that allows you to create and customize areas like the header, footer, and other parts of your theme. After that, you'll be presented with a range of options within the Theme Builder. Locate the Header tab. Clicking on this tab will not only show you any headers that you've previously created but also give you the option to create a new one or edit an existing one. If you have a specific header in mind that you want to alter, simply click on the edit link associated with that header. This will open up the Elementor editor. Now, you'll notice your website's header appears in the live preview. This is where all the magic happens. Hover over the area you wish to edit, and you'll see a blue outline and some small icons like the Edit button, which resembles a pencil within a gray circle. Click on it to make changes to that particular section or element. You can adjust text, replace images, alter alignment, and modify styling. Elementor's user-friendly drag-and-drop interface lets you move elements around freely to get the desired layout. Remember, any changes you make will not be saved until you click the Update button. If you're looking to add a new element, such as a company logo, search bar, or social media icons, locate the Elements panel on the left. Use the search bar to quickly find what you need, then drag and drop it into your header. To style these widgets, use the design options available in the left side panel, adjusting colors, sizes, typography, and more. Don't forget, when designing your header, to check how it looks across different devices using Elementor's responsive mode. You can switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views to ensure your header looks perfect on all screen sizes. This feature is crucial as it helps you maintain a consistent experience for every visitor to your site. Once you're satisfied with your changes, hit the Update button to save your work. Take a moment to preview your site to see the header in action. If you notice anything amiss, simply jump back into Elementor and make further adjustments. By following these steps, you should now have a freshly edited header that enhances your website's appeal and functionality. Remember, the key is to experiment with different styles and elements until you find the perfect balance. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!